What's going on, everybody? I'm Sha. This is the Dollar Tree. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Yes, timestamps in the description. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when we upload a video, because you're going to want to know once we start rolling out everything regarding how you have the potential opportunity to use the strategies that I will present and the opportunities that I present on this channel to earn money investing in crypto. Not financial advice. All right, man. We are breaking news right now. Ethereum is breaking $1,200, people. So in this video, basically, let's just put it to you like this. We're going to go over Ethereum and we're going to do a Chainlink update because it has bounced since dropping to the downside, which I presumed and drew out for you guys on the charts what happened. So, but before we get started, last two videos, please guys, go ahead and check out the last two videos. Very valuable information in those videos per usual, as far as concepts and ideas around investing in cryptocurrency. Especially, me also giving you guys a snippet of what I'll be offering on the Patreon as far as full scale live trading, chart analysis. You guys can follow everything that I do and even duplicate it if you like. Okay. So as time goes on in the channel, I will be putting all of those things out here, revealing all of those things, so you guys have more confidence in being subscribers in the channel and feeling more confident in getting on and buying the Patreon. Okay. Ethereum. Listen, let's just talk about where I think it's going to go. I think Ethereum's probably going to break $3,000 this cycle. All right, this bull cycle it's more likely than not likely going to break $3,000. And I'm not going to feel bad if it doesn't, because I said more likely than not likely, as opposed to, oh, Ethereum going to $12,000, Ethereum to $15,000 this cycle. Listen, you're not going to get that on this channel. I'm sorry, because over here on this channel, we actually want to have strategic format in regards to earning money and being profitable in crypto consistently, up market, down market, upstream, downstream, whatever the case may be. But Ethereum, if I had to prognosticate, first of all, like I said, I don't expect anything from these markets. All right, I don't expect anything whatsoever. I am just here as an investor trying to gauge opportunity. And somebody left a comment in the comment section on an earlier video regarding Algorand being centralized. I'm going to touch on that in the following video once we do the Algorand update, because Algorand has finally broke out of that inverse complex head and shoulders that I pointed out in the previous Algorand video update. All right, so guys, we are in profits on our Algorand setup. But enough of that. Let's go to the charts. Let's take a quick peek at what's going on with Ethereum and then shuffle over to Link, and let's give an update on Link, and then I'll come back and, of course, give you final thoughts on the video. Let's check it out. Let's get this going, man, because this is crazy. Oh, man. Oh, man. Excuse me. Look at this here. Look at this beauty of a chart for the weekly for Ethereum. Oh, my goodness. It looks like you're going straight to where I drew this line on this screenshot, which is, you can look to the right in the blue box. You know how we do this, starting off on a weekly. We're not going to run all the way through Ethereum because there's not much to look at, right? Because it's pretty much on its way to where it's going to go right now, which is 1341. You can look to the right in the blue box, as I was going to say. Listen, we're going to get into it. So don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video, because I am going to be, as we grow this channel, I am going to be dropping supreme gems, especially in the down market. But it looks like you're just going to go straight to this yellow line that I've drawn, which is the candle body. If you look to the left of this chart, which is the candle body of this, what looks to be now a rounded bottom. And I'm going to tell you right now, oh my God, if this is a rounded bottom on a weekly and it forms a cup and handle, like this eventually plays out as a cup and handle, man, yes, you are looking at $3,000 out of $3,000 plus out of Ethereum this cycle, no question. This looks amazing. But, you know, I can go on and on about how amazing it looks and everything out. But I mean, you can just see all the accumulation that's happened down at the bottom of this rounded bottom. And you could just see how long it was just building boost, as I like to say, as I use that term for Vechain. You can see how long it's been building boost. But man, this is a lovely chart. Congratulations to everybody who is in Ethereum. Supreme congratulations to everyone who started buying Ethereum at about $100 up to around $200 March of 2020 last year. It was probably one of the best decisions you ever made in regards to investing in a top tier cryptocurrency that is Ethereum. Second to only Bitcoin, the one and only Bitcoin. But yes, let's switch over to Link now and let's get this Link popping. All right. Now, as I switch over to Link, you guys can see the screenshot already, but as I switch over to Link here on the computer, let me know in the comments section, do you think Ethereum is going to make it to $3,000 plus this cycle? I truly believe it's gonna, but you guys shoot out some numbers in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. I am supremely curious to know some of the price predictions, and then yeah, we'll look at the chart and see what's possible as time goes on here on the channel. So make sure you subscribe for that. All right, Link weekly chart. You know how we do this, back to back to back to back. This is the important part of this channel, because these are us analyzing the markets so we can make decisions on investment opportunities. Okay, on the weekly chart, you can see that this is a crunched up version of what I've drawn for you guys previously when I told you Link has more downward pressure than upward pressure. If you got to get in, you get in at 12. If you can wait and be patient, you're going to have a drop down to around $9. What happened? You dropped even below $9 to around $8. As you can see here on the chart, let me put the $8 here. Let me see what it says. Yes, $8.36. So yeah, pretty much spot on, guys. All right, so this is why I do these videos, so you guys can maximize these opportunities. Now, the important thing about waiting for that $9, $10 is because now you're at anywhere from 70 to 90% gains. And if you got in around just slightly above 8, you're pretty much doubled your money. That's why it's important to analyze these charts and go over these videos regarding the charts. I know they may not be the most popular and the most aesthetically pleasing, but don't worry. As the channel goes on, I will fix that. I am investing in those improvements. Let's go down to the daily. Let's continue. Okay, so down on the daily, you can see even better now that it rounded down, had a nice little dump in the market, and then, of course, made the decision we got to turn bullish, because, you know, in the previous video, if you haven't watched it, I told you exactly what people were going to, matter of fact, the last Link update, I told you guys exactly what was going to happen when Link went down to those areas. People were going to snatch it up very fast. They were going to snatch it up. See, another reason why it's important that, you know, you guys watch these videos, and I'll tell you guys about these videos is because you will learn how to set your buy orders in the market so that you're not left waiting or trying to rush or have a mad dash to buy the price or buy these assets at those prices, because they do not last long. So here's a treat for you guys. When you see these long red wicks like you see here on a 12-hour chart, that's telling you that the price did not last long at those levels. All right, that's what that's telling you. It was bought up very, very quickly. So, you know, on the Patreon, again, I will be introducing you guys to a easy, simple way to operate the exchange so you can set your buy orders in advance when I do these videos regarding where the price action could go. But yes, so now you're back into this rising broadening wedge. And of course, the top of this rising broadening wedge is your previous all-time highs of $19.92. Let me put it here on the screen for you guys. All right, there you go. To the right, blue box, $19.92. Now, whatever you break above that is going to be a blue sky breakout. So once we finally reach those levels, which is looking like we're headed there now, barring any random dump from Bitcoin, it looks like we're gonna have to wait for some price settling, wait for the price to settle a little bit, and then we can use Fibonacci to determine where the price targets may potentially be going forward past the $19.92 all-time high. All right, so you know, pretty much right here on a daily, it's not much to see because you're in an upward trend. But I want to point this out. You see where I got this this circle at the bottom, lower trend line, where the price broke to the downside? What did I do right there? I put that circle to say that if the price broke right there at the following candle, where you would go. And it was about 95% accurate. Okay, so when I do these videos and I point these things out, you have to be aware that I'm viewing this from a perspective of technical analysis. And when you look at this rising broadening wedge, you have way more touches on the lower trend line than the upper trend line. I identify that as downward pressure, even if you have run-ups in the interim or in the medium, okay, in the middle of that downward pressure. But let's go down to the 12-hour. Let's continue. Let's see if we can see possibly some hold and consolidation on the lower time frames. All right, down here on the 12-hour, no, you just pretty much got that green candle headed in the upward direction on the 12-hour. So I mean, let's continue. Oh, here's another thing that I pointed out in the previous video as well, that double top resistance where you got rejected at this green line here in the middle. Let me draw it for you. Let me highlight it for you. Right here to the right, blue box, $14.69. I pointed that out as a big resistance as to why I felt that was a double top and you were gonna get that big pressure, that pressurous move, high pressure move to the downside. All right, I try my best to elucidate my point as clearly as possible as to what I'm seeing on the charts and what the possibilities are for you guys. All right, but let's go down to the 8-hour. Let's go down to the 8-hour and zoom in. All right, same thing. You just got a green candle going straight up on the 8-hour. Let's go down to the 4-hour. And let me, you know what? As I throw the 4-hour up here for you guys, yeah, just same thing. Green candles. You are on your way up. Let's see. So let me say this too. If you get a subtle pullback, look for that $14.69 that you see right here. Look for that to potentially be support going forward. All right, because you've got your reversal down low, of course, at the $8.16 or whatever this is down here, $8.20. Let's just say $8.20. You had your reversal down there. So look for this, like I said, look for that to be a support. I wouldn't be surprised if it was a subtle pullback, you come and test this level. And as you can see, I'm going to extend this line for you guys on the 4-hour as well. Watch this. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you some TA. All right. Now you see when I pull this line further to the right and extend it, you can see that that's where the price got rejected before going to the upside. So you've got 3 touches total from the time that it broke to the downside up to this point right here. All right, so we know previous resistance becomes support. So that's why I said keep that in mind at that $14.60 area. All right, but that's pretty much it. We got our target already, which is previous all-time highs of $19.92. I want to say this as well. So let me pack this up. I also want to say this as well, that altcoins, listen, this is the scenarios that I'm looking at right now. Bitcoin pulls back heavy. It does that big 30-something%, 33, 35% pullback. You're going to see a surge in altcoins reminiscent of what happened last summer. I'm telling you that right now. Or another scenario could be that Bitcoin trends sideways for a while and accumulates. And with that sideways accumulation, you'll also start to see, as you're already noticing, altcoins start to make some serious moves in the market. Vechain, all right, Vechain did exactly what I told you guys it was going to do. You had that big potential of a drop back down to 1 cent. It dropped back down and completely bounced and took off. And if you got anywhere at 1.3 cents, 1 cent to 1.3 cents, you're in over 100% gains right now on spot price. Okay, So Link is starting to move. We've got Atom starting to kind of inch a little bit. Algorand, like I mentioned before, is finally taking off. Swipe is now looking to break and hold that descending trend line at 82 cents. You've got EGLD, Algorand, which I spoke of in previous videos. Make sure you go and watch those videos. That had a nice run up. You got XLM, Stellar. You've got ADA. You've got a lot of coins that have started to benefit from Bitcoin accumulating upward. All right, so it's always like that though. You're gonna have select USDT paired coins moving with Bitcoin, but I'm gonna tell you that 60 million to $200 million market cap coins, those will start to really pump when the Bitcoin price comes down and dumps about that 30% and bounces. That's what we're looking at right now in the market. All right. Upcoming videos, ladies and gentlemen, upcoming videos. So tomorrow's video or the next video, whichever I have time to do, is going to be the Algorand update so we can review on where we are as far as Algorand. And then after that, we're going to go to the 10K to 100K challenge update because RSR is taking off. Zilliqa already did what it had to do. Of course, like I previously mentioned. Band. Thank you. Come on, Band. Get them bands. Get them bands together and let's rubber band our way to all-time highs, all right? So Band finally started to move a little bit, touching $9. I seen it earlier this morning. And Kava's inching up, not really doing much inching up, but I expect Kava to move, like I said, once Bitcoin pulls back that 25-30%, and then you get that beautiful altcoin run up, and then more accumulation before Bitcoin starts to run again. But make sure you guys hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Break the thumb on that like button. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when we upload a new video. Background, lights, screen, streaming. Lots of things that I'm preparing for this channel, setting up. All right, so make sure you guys stick around. I'm very appreciative of you guys being here at these low subscriber numbers. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Oh, I keep saying tomorrow, but the updated video, more than likely tomorrow, regarding Algorand. I'm Shy. This is the Dollar Tree. Later.